So I've come down to Microsoft's headquarters to take a look at the forthcoming Windows Phone 7 operating system. Now, as we know, it's a completely new OS, and more importantly, it's a far cry from Windows Mobile, which we've all come to know and kind of love. Now, it's nothing we haven't seen before, but it's always good to take a closer look. So what you're looking at is a prototype handset running the technical preview of Windows Phone 7. Now, the first noticeable feature is the start screen layout. It looks really different to the UIs and operating systems offered by current smartphones. So instead of colourful static icons or multiple home pages, which is fast becoming a smartphone favourite, it's composed of live tiles instead. So what Microsoft has tried to do is look at the things people do the most and put them together in a smart design with an integrated experience. So your social network updates, apps, photos and Xbox Live avatar will all update in real time on the start screen. For example, the people area will show tiny thumbnails of the contacts you've just spoke with, and the photos area will display your latest snap. It's customizable, so let's say you create a live tile of one of your contacts, their Facebook activity will update in real time on the start page. In fact, the phone in general will update in real time. Now, this is where the live tiles differ. So here are a few examples of how this integration works. Now, a commonly used area with all phones is contacts, and in Windows Phone 7, this is known as the People Hub, which merges all contact information from various accounts. Here you can very easily see all the people you've recently been in contact with, complete with their most recent pictures. You can quickly scroll through all your contacts and you can check out what's new, which is essentially an aggregated feed of all your contacts, status updates and recent activity in Windows Live and Facebook, which you can comment on directly, eradicating the need to open up a separate application. Another example of Windows Phone 7 integration is with the Pictures Hub. So here you'll find all the pictures you've taken on your phone, uploaded to social networks or have transferred from your PC. And displayed in the background will be the last picture you've taken on your phone. Now you can see your most recent mobile pictures, and if you hit all dates or favourites, you can view all the photos and albums you've uploaded previously to social networks. And just like the What's New feed in the People Hub, you can see the most up-to-date photos and albums uploaded by your friends on their social networks and comment on them directly. And if you want to share them on Facebook and Windows Live, it's a simple tap away. Now, many people also use their phones for their work life as well as their social life, and this is where the Office Hub comes in handy. It integrates things like OneNote, designed to let you take notes on your phone and upload them to the cloud. There's also Office 2010 integration, so Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and you can create new documents on the fly and open and view documents as they would appear on a PC. And for people using SharePoint, this has been integrated into the OS as well. Now, unfortunately, we are unable to show content from the Games Hub, but Windows Phone 7 is the first and only operating system to offer the official Xbox Live experience on a phone. And the idea is to let you download games, see your Xbox avatar, gain achievements on the phone, and invite other people to play against you if the game supports that. Now, the music experience is covered with the Music and Video Hub. This is the place to access all your multimedia, so music, videos, podcasts, radio, or any music and video related apps. It's powered by Zune, so there will be a Zune marketplace to allow you to buy music directly from your handset. Another thing Windows Phone 7 does differently is multitasking using the back button, which, as we all know, will come as standard on all Windows Phone 7 handsets, along with home and search buttons. So to avoid opening and closing apps, it will remember exactly where you've been and enable you to go back to previously open applications by hitting the back button. And as you can see, this is all done at a pretty fast rate. Now, the texting experience seemed pretty swift and intuitive as well. So it auto-corrects as you type, and if you make a typo, all you need to do is hit that word and choose from a selection of words below to correct it. Now, if you're wondering about the marketplace, this isn't up and running as yet, but we have been told to expect very exciting things. So there it is, Windows Phone 7. It's really simple, intuitive, offers a great integrated experience, not to mention it's fun to use, and I, for one, cannot wait for it to arrive. Now, Windows Phone 7 will be launching later on in the year by Christmas. Now, mobile phone partners have yet to be announced, but expect an official announcement soon.